everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. Mine is off to a good start. Guess what just came in today? Well, you probably already know from the title of this video, but I got my Summer Sunday Riley box. I am so excited. I was just wondering when this box would ship out, because the last one was in February, and that was my very first one, and I loved it. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it, but if you know me at all, and you've been following my channel, you know I love Sunday Riley. I actually just finished my second Sunday Riley like CEO glow oil today. I had like just a few drops left. I use it every single day. I received one in my alert box and one in the last Sunday Riley box. So I'm guessing I'm not going to get one in this box, but there definitely will be some Sunday Riley goodies in here. So if you're unfamiliar with this box, it's obviously by the skincare beauty company Sunday Riley. It's like a lifestyle box. It's quarterly. It is a little bit pricey. It's like around $90. I think you can get your first one for like $5 off or something like that. I'll leave all the information and the link down below. But yeah, so you get a few Sunday Riley products. It's just like, I think last month we had 2, and then you get other lifestyle products. So the theme this month is, or this box, not month, this season, is travel. So look how cute the box is. The last box was super cute too. So there's like just travel theme all over it. So we're gonna get a lot of things that'll be good for travel. I believe like everything in here is TSA friendly, so the beauty items and the liquids and stuff like that will be under 3 ounces. But I honestly don't know what is coming in this box besides one thing, because it came outside of the box. Like the first time I got this, I saw the preview online, but this time I didn't. So this is all gonna be a surprise, and I am so excited. So I'm gonna stop rambling. This is way too long of an intro for how excited I am. Let's see what is in this. Oh, and before I show you all the goods, I just want to remind you guys, I do have giveaways going on. One ends super soon, like on the 14th. So definitely check the description box for all that info. But when I open it, this is what I see. This box is huge. It says ready for takeoff with Sunday Riley, and then there is a handbook on top. Oh, this is like a legit like magazine. This says the Sunday Riley Edit Travel Edition, the Globetrotters Handbook. Oh my god, this is like actually a handbook. Okay, let's see what it says on the inside. And so add photo here this journal belongs to. So this is like a real journal. This is so cool. So there's a little letter here from the editors, the Sunday Edit team from Sunday Riley, and it says this is a travel journal. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but let me read just like summarize it for you. It says, we have worked to bring you a complete guide from planning for the trip to red-eye flight savers and experience the best beauty spots once you hit the ground. Oh, and we definitely set you up for taking the best Instagram travel photos. Interested in self-care? Take a deep dive into wellness travel, the new way to travel for you. And then it talks about staycations too and all that. This is so cool. So there's like, seriously like a legit journal and magazine. There's like all these tips in here and stuff, a bucket list, camera tips. This is so cool. I wonder if there's another sheet that tells us what like the items are. I was thinking this would contain like the list of items, but I don't think so. Oh my god, so now I can see all the stuff. Oh my god, this is so awesome. I'm so excited. Oh, is this, okay, I think this is the booklet with the actual items. This is pretty big too. So this is, I guess, one of the items. That's so cool. So it says not coming home, curated by Sunday Riley. It's a little reflective. It says ready for takeoff. We are so excited to fly away with you and introduce you to the 3rd Sunday Riley subscription box curated by the Sunday Edit. Travel is our theme for this box, whether it be a planned vacation, last minute weekend getaway, or a well-deserved staycation. You need an excuse to get out and go. We have curated the top travel products just for you, no matter your destination. And then it talks about the items. I'm not going to keep reading. And then I can look through here and we can see the pricing and all that, learn more about the products. So the first thing I see, this is by Sand Cloud. Oh, and this is a towel. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's like a tie-dye print. It says, every towel purchase helps in an effort to preserve the beautiful marine life that inspired our beginning. A portion of profits are donated to foundations that support our mission. We thank you for your support. So yeah, this is tie-dye. It is 100% Turkish cotton. Let's see what this looks like. This is so cool. I love this, you guys. This is like legit tie-dye print. It feels so soft. I am totally gonna start using this right away. I talk about this like all the time where I'm from, but I live in Florida, so it's already like summer weather here. So this is awesome. Let's see how much this costs and more details about it in here. Try not to peek at everything. So this is a retail value of $44. This lightweight, ultra absorbent, and sand resistant, this towel from Sand Cloud is perfect for a day spent at the beach, pool, or hiking. When summer's over, use it as a bath towel, comfy blanket, or even a wall tapestry to add some color to your room. You seriously could use this for a blanket. It's that soft. Like right now, I'm just like, yeah, feels so nice. So here is the a picture of it and how the information sheet looks. Super cool. What is this? There's like this wooden box. It says Krea Funk, established 2011. Wake me up before you go. Wham. Here. I still don't know what this is. This is a cool like wooden box though. Let's see what's inside it. Dance while the music is playing. Oh, is this like a little speaker? Oh my god, this is so cute. This is like a little travel speaker. Awesome. This will be perfect to like bring to the pool or the beach. Let's see. This is, and I love how it's pink. This is so cool. I did not expect this. I just had a giveaway where I actually gave away a speaker, so you know I didn't keep it for myself, so I could use one. I'm glad I did that. So this is $45. It says music on the go. This brand new transportable Bluetooth speaker from Danish lifestyle brand Krea Funk is a pocket-sized genius. Ego might be small, but it delivers incredible sound. Whether you're at home or heading out, the soft edges and simple design make it a stylish choice. It has up to 20 hours of playback time, splash-proof and dust-resistant, and it comes with a charging cable. Gosh, can't speak ever. With USB to micro USB. I am so excited. This is so cute. It's seriously so like soft, like too. This is gonna be so convenient. And there's like a little loop on top if you wanted to attach it to something, like in your bag or when you're on the go. This is so awesome. All right, next up is by Caltech. This is a luggage tag and charger, power luggage tag. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it says it has charging capabilities anywhere and anytime with 2000 mAh battery power, megahertz, or whatever that stands for. So you get a stylish luggage tag, a removable battery charger, a charging cord, and a charging adapter. Let's take this out and look. All right, so here's a cord, and I almost dropped, well I guess I did drop. This looks like a little iPhone charger, and here is the luggage tag, and I think there's an actual like power base in here, yeah. So you can remove it if you don't want it like on your bags, but like this will be so handy, like definitely easy to keep with you while you're traveling, and it's so cute. I love pink. So let's read more about this one. How unique, that's so cool. I am really wanting to travel now. Do you guys have summer travel plans? Definitely let me know. I don't have any at the moment. I need to plan something fun. So this is $32. It says travel looks good on you. The power luggage tag is a perfect accessory for travel and every day. It comes with a slim removable battery pack and includes a paper insert for personal contact details. Ideal for use at airports and flight or anywhere else you need power. So it's made of faux leather, cool. And it's for carry-ons only, because yeah, you can't like pack batteries, you know, lithium batteries. So you put this in your whatever your carry-on. I can't speak ever. Okay, I need to know what's in this bag. This says Sunday Riley on it, so I have a feeling this is what Sunday Riley products we get this month. Because last time we got like a bag that says Sunday Riley and that had their goodies, and this seems like more packed than last time. Let's see. There's some, oh, it's a travel kit. So there's 4 things in here, it looks like. So this is so exciting. It's wrapped up in tissue. And I've got stuff all over the place already. Awesome. I've received a sample of this, so I'm super excited to get it again. This is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect. This is 15 ml. It's made with caffeine, lutein, and horse chestnut. This is a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream, and this is a big size. Like this is definitely more than a sample. So have you guys tried this? I like it. I'm really excited. Even though I have like several eye creams, I don't care. You know, Sunday Riley is my jam. I love it. And then we have the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And this is obviously like a deluxe size. And I've used this in the past. I don't have it at the moment and I really, really like it. So I'm super excited. I got a full size like a while back in a box of Style. They always give such good skincare. And that's when I first fell in love with it. And then I got like some even smaller samples and like Sephora Play and stuff like that. So I'm super pumped about this. And then we have a cute little size of the Good Genes. I've only had sample sizes of this. This is bigger than like those little things we get from like Sephora. This is their own 1 lactic acid treatment. So this is supposed to deeply exfoliate your skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots, instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I think I'm so excited. That's why I'm like stumbling over my words. You guys know I like love Sunday Riley. So are we missing one thing? It says on here there's also supposed to be like a cleanser. I don't know if that just doesn't come in here. Oh, I found it. Oh my god, these are so cute. There are little mini cleansers for like one-time use for when you're traveling. I can't believe I almost missed this. There's 3 packs of it. So this is their ceramic slip cleanser. This is made with French green clay and rice oil esters. It's a gentle plant-based cleanser that pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and a clean, radiant complexion. I've never tried this before, so I'm so excited. This is so cute. I've never had single packets of facial cleanser, but that is so smart for traveling. I am so excited, you guys. So let's see, I wonder if this was like available like on their website, like the travel kit, because it's such a good idea. It says Sunday Riley travel kit, retail value $125. I guess because it's like eye cream is full size, what? So it says recommended regimen uses a cleanser, then the all-in-one lactic acid treatment, then the water cream, and then the depuffing eye and contour cream. That's crazy. I mean, and you get the bag. So all of that, like Sunday Riley is a pricey brand. I remember like when I opened this last time, people were like, why don't they put a full size in there? But like if they put in all their full size, like this is probably like $85 itself or something. Like it's a pricey brand. Good skincare can get up there in price. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let's move on. I see something I actually need. This is by Hum Beauty. This is a melatonin supplement. I have like 1 melatonin left. I don't take it every night. Some nights when I just feel like I need a little bit of extra help sleeping, I do take it. So this says Beauty Z's helps promote a restful beauty sleep. This has melatonin and B6 in it. So you're supposed to take this like a half hour before bed usually, is that what it says? Oh, but yeah, so this is good for travel, like if you're experiencing jet lag and stuff and don't want to take any like actual medications that can kind of leave like a hangover effect. Melatonin doesn't do that. So this is $10. And it says, beauty sleep is real, which means good sleep is your ultimate BFF. By investing in a good night's sleep, you're investing in yourself in a glowing complexion. So each tablet has 3 milligrams of melatonin. And it says take 20 minutes before bed, so that was close. Ooh, what's this? This is by Harry Josh Pro Tools. This is a boar and nylon bristle premium oval brush for a smooth and shiny finish. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I have so many brushes. I might say it was for a giveaway, but let me look at it. I love the color of the handle. Okay, I'm not giving this away. This is what it looks like. Isn't that color so cute? This could be like in my travel bag. Yeah, I think it leaves my hair looking nice and smooth and shiny. Or it was already like that because I like literally just did my hair. I like don't even think I blow dried it like completely because I was so excited to do this video. I'm like, it looks dry enough because it feels kind of wet still. So this is $50. Wow, it says brush it out. Celebrity hairstylist Harry Josh, who has worked with everyone from Olivia Wilde to Cindy Crawford, launched his namesake hair tool line in 2013 because salon-worthy hair required professional quality tools. So this is supposed to comb through wet hair and dry hair to tame tangles and leave your strands smooth and shiny. And it says the mix of high quality bristles makes hair more manageable and prevents breakage. With an ergonomically designed durable wooden handle that perfectly fits your hand, the flare bristle pattern brush also helps to shape and style your hair with ease. Cool, $50. That's expensive for a brush. I think that's more than like the T3 brush we got in Pop Sugar recently. What is this? Sunday Riley Savvy Sleepers, anti-aging 100% satin pillowcases. I've always wanted this. I heard it's way better for your skin and your hair, and it's in black. This is like a travel pillow. Oh, we got something else that I think this goes with. But this is what it looks like. And on the back it says travel, so it's 12 by 16. I almost forgot, there was something, guys, sorry, like a huge pile of stuff. There's something that came outside the box, and it is this pillow, and it is so soft. This is by United, like the airlines said it's found exclusively in United Polaris business class, and this thing is so soft. Like, I know it's for travel, but I'm gonna use it at home. It's like insane. I wish you guys could feel it. It's like memory foam, but like better. Oh my God. So I think that is made to go with the Sunday Riley sleeper. Oh my God, let's read about it though. Yep, they're on the same page together, so you can see that all together. It says, travel more, sleep better. Welcome to the slumber party. Meet your new travel size black truffle 100% satin pillowcase. Protect your skin from creases that cling to wrinkles, prevent hair breakage from cotton pillowcases, and extend salon blowouts by using Savvy Sleepers. Created exclusively for the United Pillow, it is perfect for your getaways. This costs $36. And then the United Airlines United Memory Foam and Cool Gel Pillow. Oh yeah, I kind of did see there's like a Cool Gel packet in there. $20. Cool Gel technology over conforming memory foam for a cooling night's sleep. Memory foam reduces pressure points between the head, neck, and shoulders. It's standard at every United Polaris seat. This is so awesome. I'm so excited. Is that everything? Oh, and when I was flipping through the pages, I saw this like travel book has a resale value of $15. I think that is everything. So I am going to calculate the total cost or value of this box and see if it's worth it. But so I paid about like $89 or something close to that. So yeah, I'll be right back. Wow, you guys, the total value is $385. So I just paid for like $85, maybe like a couple dollars more. $300 more than I paid. That is crazy. $385. This is really good. I can't believe we got 4 Sunday Riley products, $125 value. Like, I am so excited, especially for this big eye cream, like full size. That is so cool. I love that this theme was like perfect for summertime, which is really closely approaching. We're almost there, pretty much there already here where I am. But everything is awesome. I forgot I have like this towel. Everything's just spread out all in front of me. I won't go through it all again. I honestly think I will use every single item. So that is awesome. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think this box is worth it like I do? Do you love Sunday Riley? Are you a cult like fan like I am? Definitely let me know your thoughts down below. And also, yeah, like I said earlier, let me know if you have any summer travel plans, because I definitely want to plan something like really badly now. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you subscribe before you go, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!